So marketing is very, very simple. Oftentimes we overcomplicate things by making it difficult, just overthinking it. And I'm just going to break it down pretty simple. Marketing 101. If you have stuff to sell, just simply figure out where do the people who are most likely to buy your stuff, where do they hang out at? What do they read? What sites are they visiting? What events do they go to? Where do they like to participate and all this good stuff. So really you want to find out where these folks are at, and you simply show up and put your marketing message in front of those folks in the form of ads. And so for example, I like to use this example, surfing. So if you have a line of surfing t-shirt design ideas that you come up with, ask yourself that question. Where do surfers hang out at? Where do they buy? What stores do they frequent? What magazines do they read? And in this example here, this company, this publication, they have a magazine. The magazine has been around since 1960. And so Surfer Magazine, this is the September issue and August issue and so on. So it goes back. They have a pretty extensive archive of their magazine. So what we can do is go to their media kit, and their media kit basically gives us some stats and some numbers about the people that subscribe to their magazine. So in this case here, Surfer, the Surfer Media Kit, the recognized leader, 72% of the people that read the magazine or subscribe, 72% of them are male. So guess what? You're probably going to make more male shirts than you would female shirts. Or if you wanted to target the, I guess, what, 28% female group, you can make a special line of shirts. But the average age, 29%, 18 to 24, 25 to 34 consists of 28% of that audience. 20% consists of folks between the ages of 35 to 44. Average income, look at that, $105,000. These folks make money. 79% of them have some college. And as I said earlier, this magazine started in 1960, cultivated a massive following, over 9.1 million. Is the world's most iconic and widest reaching surf media brand, capturing the essence and lifestyle of surf. So, I mean, there you have it. That's look. Just looking at one of their forums. Let me click here. Let me go back to here. So I'm gonna click on the forums link and just show you this. Look at this. They have a very active community. There is, just in this post, there are 1.9 million posts, almost 2 million posts. The people here are very active. I mean, they having some right now as we're reading this forum. There's 194 people currently in this forum viewing it. 125 people currently in this forum, in this section here, viewing the post. 11 people viewing the post, and so on. So it's a very active following the people. I'm gonna click here on their Facebook page just to see what's up. Look at that, 1.3 million followers. And let's see here. So very, very active. So this, with the media kit, again, as I mentioned earlier, it gives you opportunities. Let me just scroll down here. Give you opportunities to put your advertisements, put your t-shirt design in front of this surfing community if you have a line of surfing shirts. So as it says, an audience of 9.1 million people. In their print media, which is most likely their magazine, they have over 166,000 people that subscribe to it. They get about 600,000 unique visitors to their website, probably on a monthly basis, and they have over 8 million people following them on social media. You get the opportunity to submit an ad to their print media. You can do some digital advertising with these folks and get in front of their audience. And so that's pretty much advertising in a nutshell. You need to go to where the people are at. And you just figure that out just by asking yourself some simple questions and doing some research online and just doing the research. You must market, you must promote, you must advertise if you want to be successful in this business. Free social media postings is not a strategy, and it ain't going to work out for you long term. It's not going to work out for you short term. So just wanted to share that with you. Don't overthink this. Go to where the people are at. Get your message in front of them in the form of an ad, and watch your business grow and watch your sales come in.